So sometimes I wonder, why do I have to be the guy who cleans everything? What the hell's that growing over there? Rust? I don't know. Clip? Doesn't look too good. It's got a little capacitor on it. That's pretty cool. Refrigerant in here? Yeah, R22. I didn't even know they said refrigerant. Look at that. But I think that condenser is a little bit dirty. What do you think? This filter was dirty too. Yeah. Should perform a little bit better. What do you think? No one else takes care of anything. I never know how late it is. It's probably pretty late, but we're making noise cleaning this thing. Put the cat back on. Let's clean it. Get some of the smell out, that's for sure. That's enough. Foams up. And it's two coils too. The inside one doesn't look so hot either. Back together. That foam stuff will go away in a little bit. Gotta get more of that coil cleaner. It works quite well. Now it stinks like cleaner, but the airflow out of this thing, that's on low. High, holy sh! Did not have that airflow before. It's like a brand new machine. The last thing that happened, someone tripped over it and threw it around and broke a wheel off of it. Put an ABS cemented it. You see it over there, the remnants. I was making a mess. Just gotta beat everything up, these people. I don't know. Just gotta fix everything. So nasty. You see, it gets in from the top and it bypasses the filter. It needs something over here. Doesn't rattle anymore either. I think the airflow, when it was struggling, it was making it shake. These are on so smooth now. It used to rattle around. Maybe the extra load it was putting on the motor to pull that dust through. Did that. They're brand new. Clean that shit. Gotta do the AC next.